Sonia Sisani, faculty for Social Science. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 14, that is Unity in Diversity. This chapter is in your textbook on page number 9090. This chapter I have taken from civics, and for civics in my introductory part I have given the general definition. In civics, here we will study about our nation, constitution, laws, rights and duties, etc. etc. So this chapter number 14, that is Unity in Diversity, is from civics. So first of all, what is the meaning of unity? Unity की meaning क्या होती है? Unity, that means togetherness. We all together. Okay. Now students, what is the meaning of diversity? Diversity, for this I would like to give you one example. Okay, see students, you can notice in your neighborhood people of different characteristics, including their color, their height, way of lifestyle, their language, their culture, etc. etc. Now second example, in your school you are learning, you are studying many of the subjects like English, Hindi, Maths, Gujarati, Social, Sanskrit, Science, etc. etc. So now imagine you are only learning mathematics. So what could happen? You will be feeling boring, right? In the third example, in your meal, your mama is serving you many of the varieties like dal, rice, vegetables, salad, buttermilk, chapati, puri, bakri, etc. etc. In the same way, students, this is the diversity. This is the concept of diversity. That means we like diversity, अलग-अलग चीजें जो हमें बहुत पसंद होती है. Our country India, if we will talk about that, the unique feature, or we can say the unique characteristic of our country India is that unity in diversity. Students, as you are familiar with the saying, this united we stand and divided we fall. What is the meaning of this? United we stand and divided we fall. So for this, I would like to share an interesting story with you. See, once upon a time there was a farmer. He was a very prosperous, that means he was a very wealthy and rich person in the village. He had 3 sons. The 3 were handsome, but they all were quarrelsome. Full time they were quarrelsome. वो एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ते रहते थे. Okay, now the farmer made a plan to teach them lesson. उनको lesson सिखाने के लिए farmer ने एक planning बनाया. One day he called the 3 sons and gave them a bundle of stick and told them to break the bundle. One by one, the 3 boys tried with a great strength, but the bundle was not broken by any of them. कोई भी उस बंडल को तोड़ नहीं पाया. Okay. Afterwards, the farmer untied the bundle and then he distributed one by one stick to 3 of them and told them in the same way, now you break. The 3 sons broke the stick. One of them asked a question to his father. What is the reason of this activity? So at that time farmer told them, see my son, you all 3 are like this bundle. If you will be tight, if you will be united, you will not face any of the difficulty or any of the enemy. But if you all will be untied, अगर आप तीनों एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ते रहेंगे, so you will be facing many of the difficulties. You will be dealing with the many of the enemies. Enemies will attack on you. Okay, so this is the small story, and moral of the story is the same. We all should be united. You know students, our country India, there are 29 states and different people following the different religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, religions live in our country, India, very peacefully. So this is the religion. Religion means unka dharma. You know students, different people follow different religions. Like here I have given you example. They are celebrating their festivals in their own lifestyle. Okay, like if I will like to give you example, Hinduism. Hindus go in temple and worship the gods and goddesses. In the same way, Islam people, that means Muslim people, those follow Islam religion. They go in mosque. Okay, there they have to perform the namaz. In the same way, Christianity, the people who follows Christianity, that I have explained you in chapter number 1. The Christian people go in the church and there they worship Jesus Christ. They lit the candle in front of Jesus Christ. In the same way, these all people have different religions. What you understood by this thing? Yes, in our country, India, same importance or equality is given to all the religions. Okay, that's why different people following the different religions, even they worship their festivals in their own way. Then also, they all live in our country, India, in a very peaceful manner, or we can say in a harmoniously. So moving further, our second topic is language. You know students, in different states of India, people are of different languages. Like in Punjab, they speak Punjabis. Maharashtra, people speak Marathi. In Gujarat, people speak Gujarati. In the same way, Tamil Nadu में जो लोग रहते हैं, they speak Tamil. And the people who live in Odisha, they speak Odia. These all are different languages spoken by the different people. You know students, there are 22 official languages in our country, India. And out of these 22 languages, on our currency note, there are 15 languages. Here we have accepted Hindi as the national language. So what is the meaning of this statement? Hindi is accepted as the national language. It means the people from different states, if they are visiting in another states, suppose the people from Punjab, they are visiting in our state Gujarat, or we people from Gujarat, if we go in Punjab or in Odisha, in Tamil Nadu, Hindi is accepted as the national language. All people know Hindi. So students, this is diversity. In spite of existing the diversity in the language, all languages are equal. They have to maintain the unity for our country, India. Now moving ahead, our third point is culture. Culture, जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं संस्कृति. Culture is the way of life of the groups of people. For example, for our Hindus, to respect the elders, it is the foundation of our culture. If we will see the next, that is Atithi Devo Bhava. We people believe Atithi Devo Bhava. That means guest is equals to God. Guest is given the more and more importance. Guest is given the supreme importance in our culture. And next is reverse as Lokmata. Students, we Indians respect the rivers as Lokmata because human life is nothing without the water. India is the birthplace of Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism. For example, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. If we talk about Sikhism, so here it is Guru Nanak Ji, then Gautam Buddha for Buddhism, and Sri Mahavir Swami for Jainism. These all great and pious souls have taken birth on our motherland. Our next point is unity in diversity. As I explained you, it is India's unique characteristic, unity in diversity. In our country, people belonging from different states, they They are different from one another in the terms of their attire, their food, their language, their way of lifestyle, each and everything. Then also we all are united. We all live in our country India in a very peaceful manner. That's why Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first president of our India, in whose memory we are celebrating today also 5th September as the Teachers' Day. So Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan has given the statement, the development of our country India is possible only and only we all will be united. Now imagine if in our school we all are brilliant in mathematics. So what will happen? The development is not possible in economics, social, industrial as well as in finance. That's why we all have maintained the unity. Students, today I have covered 2 pages in this video, that is page number 90 and page number 91. So please refer the video, and after referring the video, do reading from the textbook to make the concepts more and more crystal and clear. Okay, so now I'll meet you in my next video. Up till bye bye.